Hello everyone, I hope you are well. I am Sandeep and most welcome again at this YouTube channel officially Sandeep. I hope you are well and you are doing well. If you are thinking you are the most unlucky person in the world, my dear friend, I think that you are thinking wrong. You are thinking wrong, not only you in this world. We are who are this hoping of his entire life. You are not only my dear friends, lot of people are trouble of his life. Also, if you would put out your home, you would see lot of people struggling. They are doing struggle of his ambition, and they are facing of his problem. My dear friends, you must know that at this talk, we know that there is nothing impossible in my life. It is how much say at this talk, but I think that there is no one as who do not do who do not face problem in his life. Everyone says that you have to listen at this talk. Someone have to write and someone have to hide. किसी का छिप जाता है तो किसी का छप जाता है. You must know that at this talk. If you are student, if you belong ये मिडिल क्लास फैमिली पे बिलोंग, ये विलेज, you must focus now at your ambition, my dear friends. There is nothing too impossible in your life. How much easy at this talk to say as, but if you belong in village, you must do work hard in your life. There is nothing to without your ambition, without your goal in your life. You focus now in your education. Only education is as a medium who will get a lot of up. एजुकेशन एक ऐसा माध्यम है जो आपको सबसे अधिक ऊंचाइयों तक ले जाएगा. ही विल डेवलप टू यू लॉट ऑफ हाई लेवल इन योर लाइफ, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. नेवर टू लीव, ऑलवेज टू लर्न फॉर योर एजुकेशन, फॉर योर एम्बिशन, फॉर योर purpose. What do you do in your life and what do you want to achieve in your life, my dear friends? If you are hopeless to watching lot of people what they are not doing well in his life, what I will do it. There is no one is every one type. So you must know that at this talk, in this world, in this life, not everyone life is same, but you must know that at this talk, if you are doing something in your present, he will not go waste in your life. Anywhere place, anywhere time, he will come back in your life. You must know that at this talk, if you are giving honestly to you, I think that your time will not waste in your life, my dear friends. So focus in your education. Education is a weapon who change your entire life, who change your situation, who change your direction, who change your everything in your life. You must know that at this talk, my dear friends. If you have a well education, if you have a well knowledge, everywhere place, you will shine a diamond. You will shine as a diamond. यदि आपके पास वेल नॉलेज है, अच्छा नॉलेज है और वेल एजुकेशन है, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, तो आप सभी जगह डायमंड की तरह आप चमकेंगे. यू मस्ट साइन ऑफ एज ए डायमंड. यू मस्ट नो दैट एट दिस टाक. नेवर टू होपलेस एट दिस टाक. इफ यू आर नॉट गेनिंग वेल इन योर लाइफ, इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग वेल इन योर लाइफ, यू मस्ट नेवर होपलेस एट दिस टाक. यू always proud at yourself, you are well of them. आप उन लोगों से बेहतर हैं. and when you will go, everyone would take inspire to you at this talk. If you have well knowledge, if you are better of them, otherwise you would see as far a lot of people are walking here and there. You would watching as type people, there is no value of them where you will stand and where they will stand with you. They would see to you a respectable eye. So I know that at the start respectable eye मतलब होता है सम्मानित नज़रिए से देखेंगे. Everyone would see to you, and you must know that everything is money. You have to listen of people says that money is the most powerful. He everything change, but he would never change of anyone habit, anyone behavior, anyone activity in his life. You must know that at this time, my dear friends. And education, money cannot change your education, your qualification in your life if you have well knowledge in your life. So gain well and do well in your life, and always stand for your society, for your people. How much you could spread your knowledge between of people, you must do if you have knowledge, because how much you will distribute, he will never to die, he will never to lost in your life, he will always increase if you have well knowledge, my dear friends. So you must give and you must stand as for to lot of people in your life. I would like to say, if you are belong a village, if you want to change yourself, my dear friends, you focus now in your education. Education would change to you, education would change your every problem in your life if you are giving time. If you have well knowledge, well education, he will change to you in your life, my dear friends. I have watched lot of people not taken degree of भाड़े पर बोलते हैं, क्या कहते हैं भाड़े को, रेंट, नॉट टेकन डिग्री ऑफ रेंट, किराए पर कराए हुए डिग्री. देयर इज नो मीन इन योर लाइफ. आपकी ज़िंदगी में अहमियत नहीं देंगे इफ़ यू हैव नॉट वेल नॉलेज इन योर लाइफ, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. इफ़ यू हैव नॉट वेल नॉलेज, देयर इज नो मीन योर रेंट डिग्री. यू मस्ट नो डेट. I hope you listen name of the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, most powerful, who have to remove discrimination in our country, who have to do struggle untouchableness. They have to fight lot of us in this country. आज हम लोग कहते हैं टुडे वी सेज डेट, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, बट इस हिंदुस्तान में पता नहीं कौन कौन से इवेंट हुए हैं. इफ़ यू वुड नो देन आप शर्मसार हो जाएंगे. यू विल फील सेम नाउ. आज आप शर्मिंदगी महसूस करेंगे. यू विल फील एज, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. तो आई वुड लाइक टू से, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, यू फोकस एज टाइप एज डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर, बाबा साहब डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर always says that education is a weapon who change your entire life, and he would show to you a bell, and he will give you respectable life in your life. यह आपको समाज में एक अहमियत और एक अच्छा जीवन जीने का माध्यम देगा यदि आपके पास एक अच्छा नॉलेज है, आपके पास बेहतर नॉलेज है. मेरे दोस्त, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, माय डियर ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर, you must work and do lot of struggle for your ambition, for your purpose, for your passion in your life, which you could change your entire life, which you could change everything who are you facing nowadays. So Dr. B. R. Ambedkar Sahib is a big philosopher and leader, politician, and lot of us, because they have lot of knowledge, and I also beg inspiration them. I am big fan of them, only one fan, in our life. Who is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in my entire life, which I am heartily salute them, my dear friends. Also, you must make ideal as people who you could take lot of motivate only watching them, only thinking them, my dear friends. You must make ideal as people, anyone people you can make, चाहे वह सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर या कोई भी महापुरुष हो, गांधी जी हो या पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू हो, यू कैन मेक inspiration them in your life. If you are thinking in your mind, come when you would think of them struggle, you would feel well in your life and you would do struggle in your life. जब आप अपने महापुरुषों के बारे में सोचें या उनके बारे में पढ़ें तो आपके अंदर भी उनकी तरफ बढ़ने की चेष्टा या उनकी तरफ बढ़ने की इच्छाएं उत्पन्न हो. यू मस्ट क्रिएट एज टाइप desire in your life, in your mind, which you could make them. How much they are doing in his life, how much they are facing in his life, you could do something well, my dear friends. If you belong in village, also you must know lot of us about yourself, about of people, and not you back behind of people. I am saying to you, my dear friend, there is nothing after 5 year, after 20 year, after 20 year, not after 5 year and 7th year, your friends, your relative would ask to you, what have you? They would sit to you, so do struggle for your ambition. थोड़ा समय लगेगा, but you will succeed in your life. You would make a successful person to you, which you could change yourself, which you could change everything in your entire life, my dear friends. I hope if you are thinking well, you must join to me. I hope you can change everything in your life and you can do well in your life, my dear friends. Thank you, dear friends, for watching this video. I hope you can change everything. And if you are watching first time, you can join to me officially Sandeep. I hope, and keep your thoughts in the comment section. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Constitution. Thank you.